So I'm going to show you how we do our laundry. We did our laundry in here when we came in February. It's all manual, so you have to switch the cycles manually, and you have to hook it up to the water hose. No hot water, I suppose. I don't know. So I'm just filling it up with the hose. It's starting to rain. Here's some of the nice foliage in the garden. All sorts of flowers blooming on the other section. This is also where we can clean our fish. So we're excited about doing that real soon. We're gonna get some fishing equipment and go fish on the beach and cook our own fish. Free food. So you set a timer. You have to wash it. It like agitates, then you drain it, then you fill it up again to rinse it, and then there's like this spinner over here where you spin it, most of the water out. And then we have to line dry all the clothes, which I don't know how I'm going to do that because it's raining. So I don't know why I'm doing this right now. It's too late now though.